Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we finally got our first snow in about 2 years, and it's unbelievable. I'm so happy that this is happening again. So today I'm going to be riding on my four-wheeler, and we are going to be riding through the trails all the way through here, and then we're going to be riding out on the street. And on the street it's so icy and slippery that I'm just going to like slide through everything. So stay tuned for all this, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She's spinning.
Oh no.
Okay, no catching them.
Oh, direct hit. Oh, direct hit. Oh. Oh, I heard that one. Ouch.
Return fire. My goodness, what are you?
He's coming right for me.
Oh, my God.